Hey there, welcome to Budgeting 101. Create your first budget in 5 easy steps. If you've been meaning to get your finances under control but don't know where to start, this video is for you. Stick around, and in just 7 minutes, you'll have a solid plan to take charge of your money. Let's get into it. Step 1. Know your income. Step 1. Know your income. Before you can plan where your money goes, you need to know how much you actually bring in each month. That means your net income, what you take home after taxes and deductions. If you're salaried, it's pretty easy. Just look at your pay stubs. If you freelance or have a side hustle, average out the past 3 months to get a baseline. Once you know your monthly income, write it down. This is your starting point. Step 2. Track your expenses. This is where the magic and the surprises happen. For 1 full month, track every single dollar you spend. That includes rent, groceries, coffee runs, subscriptions, gas, even that late-night DoorDash order. Rent, food, utilities, subscriptions, transportation, entertainment, random splurges. You can use a budgeting app like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. The goal is to categorize your spending so you can see exactly where your money is going. Most people are shocked by how much they spend on things like dining out or impulse purchases. Awareness is the first step to change. Step 3. Set spending limits. Now that you know where your money's going, it's time to tell it where to go on purpose. Start with the essentials: housing, food, utilities, transportation. Then allocate for savings, debt payments, and finally, the fun stuff like entertainment and hobbies. If your expenses are higher than your income, it's time to cut back. Look at the non-essentials first. Those are usually the easiest to trim. The key is balance. You want a budget that feels doable, not like punishment. Step 4. Choose a budgeting method. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so find one that fits your lifestyle. Here are a few popular ones. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt. Zero-based budgeting. Every dollar is assigned a job, down to zero. Envelope system. Use cash or digital envelopes for each category. Try one out for a month and see how it feels. You can always adjust or mix methods to suit your needs. Step 5. Review and adjust monthly. A budget isn't set in stone. It's a living document. At the end of each month, sit down and ask, did I stick to my budget? What worked? What didn't? What unexpected expenses popped up? If you went over in one category but under in another, that's okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. Over time, this habit of monthly check-ins will help you stay in control and build financial confidence. And that's it, your first budget in 5 easy steps. Just remember, budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. Freedom to save, to spend wisely, and to stop living paycheck to paycheck. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more bite-sized financial tips. See you in the next one.